In this video, we're gonna talk about how to reply on Instagram messages. This is gonna be a short and easy video, so make sure you watch it until the end and let's jump right into it. Firstly, open up the message that you want to reply to. Now once you open up the chat on Instagram, all you do is tap and hold on the chat and you'll have an option of reply on the bottom left. Once you do, you can now type in any reply and then tap on send. The second way that you do it is to slide this message to the right like this, and then again the same thing, you can type in any reply. If you want, you can also reply to your own messages. It's the same way, tap and hold the message and tap on reply, and you can also reply to your own message. So that's the way that you reply on Instagram messages. If this video helped you out, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, make sure you comment down below. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this.